So back in 2008, I had this video taken of me, and I was taking apart the little travel table from a Chrysler Town and Country minivan. And those 2008 minivans had the swivel seats that you could drive around with the rear seats facing backwards and the third row of seats facing forwards and people sitting around a little table. That was a fairly limited usefulness. What I didn't think of was a video of me putting it all together in the first place. As you can see, the table parts do stow in the stow and go area. So the magic of making movies is that you can double the speed and put it into reverse. And now you see me putting together the table and moving the swivel seats around so that they do face backwards. And you could drive in that position and it was perfectly safe. Probably safer. And here we go, all done.